Okay, hello everybody, what's going on? This is Muhammad, welcome to another video. In this video we have this question here that says, if f of x is equal to cosine squared of x plus cosine to the power 4 of x plus cosine to the power 6 of s, so apparently even powers of cosine x, all the way to infinity, then we need to prove that the first derivative f prime of x is equal to negative 2 cosecant squared of x cotangent of x. So if you're interested, pause this video, give this problem a try, and then keep watching this video for a solution. Okay, so to solve for this question here, okay, as we can notice here that f of x is basically a geometric series where the first term is equal to 1 and the common ratio is cosine squared of x. Okay, so the first term is cosine squared of x raised to the power 0, the second one is cosine squared of x raised to the power 1, and then cosine squared of x raised to the power 2, and so on and so forth. So f of x can be rewritten as a geometric series like this. F of x is equal to the summation of, from n of course equal to 0 all the way to infinity, of cosine squared of x raised to the power n. And as I said, okay, if you, for example, when n is equal to 0, we get the first term. When n is equal to 1, we get the second term. When n is equal to 2, we get the third term, and so on and so forth until we get all the terms. And this is a famous, a famous sum. I mean, the geometric series has a famous formula for calculating its sum, which is nothing but we need to take the common ratio, raise it to the lower limit, which is 0, and that's going to give us 1, minus the common ratio cosine squared of x raised to the upper limit plus 1, which is basically infinity, plus 1, that's going to stay infinity. So cosine squared of x raised to an infinite power, that's going to give us 0. And then we need to subtract 1 minus the common ratio, which is what? Which is cosine squared of x. And that's going to give us what? 1 divided by sine squared of x, which is apparently cosecant squared of x. Okay, so this whole thing, f of x, okay, is at the end is equal to cosecant squared of x. So now it would be simple and straightforward to find the first derivative f prime of x, which is nothing but the derivative of cosecant squared, which is twice cosecant of x, and then we need to multiply by the derivative of cosecant using the chain rule, which is negative cosecant cotangent. Cosecant of x, cotangent of x. And simplifying this answer, that would give us negative 2, and then cosecant times cosecant, that's going to give us cosecant squared of x, okay, multiplied by cotangent of x, which is exactly what we need to prove here, and that is the final answer here. Let me highlight it in yellow or in orange, okay? And that's it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. If this is your first time here and you want to know more about brain teasers, riddles, logic puzzles, viral math problems, and all types of mathematics related problems, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.